Anyway, here's how you can make Gregory and gacha online. It's easy. Front hair 316. Real hair 137. Eyes 73. Face AC 7. Sleeve 2. Pants 23. Shirt 35. Shoe 64. Scarf 69. Socks 99. Drop 174. Mouth 5. And that's it. For the color, for the hair, just the same. Front hair, here's the outline for front hair. Color for shirt, just the same. Pants, that outline. Here's the color for that. Color for eyes. Color for face AC. Color for outline for mouth. And you're finished.